let's do sum related to equidistant point on y-axis. We have discussed a sum related to x-axis. Now let's talk about y-axis. Remember, if the point is on the y-axis, x coordinate will be 0 and y coordinate we will take some number. For here, as we want to find that number, it will be y variable to indicate that it is on y-axis. Let's discuss the question. Find the point on y-axis equidistant from a minus 3 and 4 and b 3, 6 on the same plane. Okay, so plane is same. Okay, let's keep it same. Don't bother it. Then we want to talk point on the y-axis. Point on the y-axis. And a is given, b is given. So point on the y-axis, what we will assume? 0, y. Simple. A is already given, b is already given, and we have the condition as well. Mathematical equation you need to form. Remember it is easy to remember. Ay is equal to by. In the case of x-axis, you can remember ax and bx. If the points are different, name it as it is given in the question. Okay, let's solve it. If you want to try on your own, go ahead. You can do it. Sure. Let's start. A is given minus 3 by 4. A minus 3, 4. And B is given 3, 6. And point on y-axis, that is y 0, y. Remember y 0, y. Why have I taken y again? Because it is indicate that equidistant from the y-axis. So condition here is what? Ay is equal to by. Now I told you one thing, one step I told you to do it to make simplification easier. Yes, I am going to do square on both of the sides. Now I am going to do separate distance for both of them. I'll calculate the separate distance for both of them, right? Let's do it. Ay square first of all. So ay square is equal to x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So x coordinate of a is minus 3, here minus 3 minus x coordinate of y, which is 0 whole square, plus y coordinate of a, which is 4, minus y coordinate of y, which is y only whole square. Let's simplify. Minus 3 minus 0, that will be minus 3 only, and you need to do square of it. That will become 9, plus here 4 square, which is 16, minus 4 2s are 8y plus y square. Remember, I am using identity over here. You must be thinking, why am I writing these 3 terms? Why there should be only 2, right? So there are 3 terms, a square minus 2ab plus b square, identity, remember. Okay, so let's simplify. Is equal to y square minus 8y, 9 plus 16 will give you 25. Okay, so ay square value is with me. Now we need to get by square. So by square is equal to x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Simple. Now let's get the value. X1, it is 3 minus 0 whole square plus 6 minus y whole square. Okay, so 3 minus 0, 3 square is 9, plus let's simplify, 6 minus y whole square, a minus b whole square, identity. So 36 and 6 2s are 12, minus 12y plus y square. Let's simplify. So y square minus 12y, 9 plus 36, 9 plus 36, you are going to get 45. Now I have ay square and by square. Now I need to equate. So let's equate. First of all, ay square. So here ay square is equal to by square. Ay square, it is y square minus 8y plus 25. And here y square minus 12y plus 45. So let's take all the variables on the one side and all the numerals on the another side. So let's shift y square, let's shift minus 12y. So y square as it is, minus 8y as it is. Y square if I shift, it will become minus y square. Minus 12y if I shift, it will become plus 12y is equal to 45 as it is. And 25 if I shift on another side, it will become negative. So minus 25. Let's simplify. Y square minus y square. Okay, they're gone. Then minus 8y and plus 12y. Minus 8y and plus 12y. What you are going to get? These are like terms. Okay, 4y is equal to 45 minus 25. 5, 5, 0. 4 minus 2. 2 only. So check for the negative sign. No negative sign. Yes, y is equal to 20 by 4. So it is 5. Value of y is 5. Now what is that point? I want point. Y is not my final answer, but point. I want a point on the y-axis. So final answer is y 0, 5. That is my final answer. So if I take these 2 points, which is a minus 3 and 4, b 3 and 6, then I'm going to get on y-axis for the equidistant, which is y 0, 5. So this was the case for the point on y-axis. We discussed a case on the x-axis. Y-axis is also done. Now we are going to discuss the case where the point will not be on the x-axis, not even on y-axis. That will be somewhere in any of the quadrant.